President, you're ready, Your Honor.
As is the state, Your Honor, some things on the record in this case. We've been in contact with the victim's family in this case. In fact, they're in the courtroom today, on the right side of the courtroom. The victim is here today. Apparently she had to take it out just briefly. We extended an offer of straight probation for Ms. Toon with a conviction. However, defense countered with a deferred offer, 10 or 10 years deferred adjudication. It seems at this point we do not have an agreement for the probation. I just signed paperwork from Mr. Davidson and the defendant. She intends to plead guilty today and go to the court for punishment. It's our understanding, we were hoping to get this done sooner rather than later. I've informed the family that we need them to testify, they said they were willing to do so, and we just need a date for that hearing.
And to add to that, Your Honor, my client has, everything the state has said is correct. My client has written a letter of apology and remorse, and we would like permission to have a legal
Okay.
If that's being intended to be done today, I only caveat with that is that Miracle, the victim, is not in the courtroom today. I mean, right now, she will be here. I thought she was, she was.
Oh, well, you might come back. My intent is to have my client leave guilty today.
If we want, we could do is Your Honor, if we can wait for that letter until the date of the open plea sentence.
That's fine.
Okay.
I mean, since they're here, I'm fine with what they're doing right now, but it's fine.
Okay, let's go ahead and take the guilty plea. All right, Ms. Toon, if you would raise your right hand, I can swear you in. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
Make sure that you speak up where the court reporter can hear you. She's taking down everything that you're saying, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and if you need to move that microphone closer, does she need to do that? Okay. All right, Ms. Toon, you have been charged as alleged in the state's indictment with injury to a child. Range of punishment for this offense is 2 to 10 years confinement and a fine not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand what you've been charged with and the full range of punishment?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a set of documents in front of me called the plea papers. Do you recall seeing these documents?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go over these with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have all of your questions answered before you signed these documents?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions about what you're doing here today?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by signing these documents and entering a plea today that you are giving up some important rights, including your right to remain silent, your right to plead not guilty, your right to have a trial by jury, your right to call witnesses and cross-examine witnesses.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you also aware, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that your plea of guilty could be used against you for deportation, denial of naturalization, or exclusion of admission from the United States?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're giving up these rights, do you still want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And Mr. Davidson, is there any question about your client's competency?
Not at all.
And do you believe she understands the consequences of entering this plea?
She does.
Right, then Ms. Toon, to the allegations made against you in the state's indictment, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty and for no other reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone forced you or pressured you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Then I'll find that your plea has been freely, knowingly, and voluntarily made.
The state offer states 1, the plea document, states 2, the stipulation of evidence, and states 3, discovery compliance forms.
No objection, states 1, 2, and 3.
States 1, 2, and 3 will be admitted without objection. I find that they provide a sufficient basis to support your plea of guilty. However, based on the open plea, I'll defer making a finding of guilt at this time. And as far as the open plea is concerned, typically we order a PSI. In this situation, I understand the parties want to waive the PSI. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
That's affirmative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then as far as timing on sentencing, how long do you think
the state to be ready by next week, Your Honor, if there's any availability. I've already spoken with the family in this matter to have them up here to testify, so that's what we'd be asking for.
I can be ready Monday. I can be ready next week.
Okay, let us get you a date, after this afternoon. We'll try to send that out before the end of the day today. It will be set next week then.
Thank you, Your Honor.